Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Wayfair. We're currently trading at 252.40 here in after hours. We ended the day up around 342 or up around about 1.5% from Friday's session. Good news in here is that we opened up right on that key 247.15 level and we stayed above it and we held it and we closed above it. So that is good news as we're heading into earnings this week, pre-market Thursday. So November 4th, pre-market is when you're going to have that earnings report coming out. So it looks like we might get a little push in here. We're going to have to watch that 247 in here going forward, just kind of confirm a hold and then see if we can kind of work our way up into a nice earnings run. And perhaps we can fight with this 50-day moving average here, currently trading at 261.52. That's going to be a big resistance for us. And then above that, we're watching this upper trend line of this wedge here, right at the mid 265s, about 265.30. So perhaps we might get a push here into earnings, but watch out for that 50-day moving average and that upper trend line here of this wedge. We also have a gap here that we need to fill, and that's going to be right at the 271 mark. So keep an eye on that as well. Earnings might push us past that. We might end up filling that as soon as this week. Now, support-wise, we did talk about that 247.15, but below that, the immediate support below that key level is going to be the 9-day EMA, currently sitting at 244.34. And then below that, you're going to have a little something here right at 232. But then ultimately, the main support is going to be the lower trend line of this wedge, and that's currently trading right around those mid 220s. RSI right now, 63. Stochastics a little overbought as well. Nothing really to worry about because we do have an earnings catalyst coming up, so don't put too much stock into the RSI and the stochastics here on the daily chart. IV ranking here is relatively high compared to itself over the past year, 54. Raw IV of around 128 by this Friday. Looks like everybody's pricing in right around a $21 expected move. You go out to Friday, everybody's pricing in right around 28.68. You go to November monthlies, everybody's pricing in 31.39. And in December, 46 days away, it looks like everybody is pricing in about a $37.72 expected move in here. So some good IV, some good juice to play with. Watch out for that big contraction that's probably going to come up pre-market. So Thursday, pre-market, that Thursday session is going to have a huge volatility shrink and contraction in there. Just be aware of that as you're playing this into earnings. Again, just to reiterate, watch the 247.15. That's going to be a key level for us here going forward in the future. And then watch this 50-day moving average here at 261.52 for a key level of resistance. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description. And we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.